Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today what we're going to learn? Today we're going to learn two things, okay? We're going to learn something called as elbows. Okay? Elbows were in AutoCAD, okay? Elbow means bend. Bend, isn't it? We want to move the duct like this, bend, isn't it? There are two types of bends, okay? Or elbows they call it. Bends it is called. Okay, one is a long radius and one is a short radius, okay? So remember this, okay? Whenever there is two types of bends, just like this, bends, people call it bell elbows, I call it bends, 90 degrees, okay? There are two types, one is a long radius and one is a short radius, LR, long radius, not left right, long radius. Another one is short radius, okay? For the long radius, remember, everything depends on the width of the air terminal, okay? Let's suppose this is your air terminal, okay? Diffuser they call it, supply, whatever. Everything this is supply, okay, depend on this width, okay? If your width, this width, okay, in long radius, it's depend the radius, okay, this is called the radius, this radius, okay, this is called fillet radius, you will say, okay. Let's say the fillet radius f is equal to long radius, because it is long, okay, you would be divided by 2. Fillet radius is equal to, okay, short radius, fillet radius, okay, divided by short means small, divided by 4, okay. This you need to remember, okay. So maybe in the next class something I teach you how to do trouser and all, but first let's learn bends, okay. Divide by 4, divide, okay. So let's start the story. Let me just hide this. Okay, so what is the width of this? Just draw one measure, this point to this one, 900. Okay, so what's the story? Radius. Okay, this is line. Okay, explode this. Oh yeah, explode it or draw a line. Listen, draw a line. Draw like this. You want to bend it like this, isn't it? Okay, what is the width of this? 900. Offset. Okay, 900. Object this one, this side, isn't it? We can bend like this, okay. Now my question is, okay, if we want, we can do something better. Fillet this one with this one, okay. This would be the actual story, but it's not look very bad, isn't it? Okay, we want to make it radius. Let's say we want to make long radius. What you're going to do is fillet, fish fillet, okay. What we would say, what is this? Somebody put water on my keyboard, okay. Fish fillet radius. How much is the width? 900. 900 divided by 2, 450. Why we make long radius? This guy with this guy, okay. Now this is the trick, okay. Then what you will do is you're going to put offset. How much offset? Distance. Actually it's 900, so type 900. Good. This guy comes here. Oops. Okay, why it does not come is because it should come. Okay, listen. Let's say explode, okay. Okay, offset 900. This guy goes like this, okay. Then what you do is draw a line. If you want, I just to make it look good, okay. Line, make it other layer. If you have layer 0, layer 0, okay, just to see the bend, yeah, so you will see it, okay, isn't it? Then trim. You get the picture? This is called what? It was W by 2, no? 450. This is long radius, okay, long radius bend. Let's suppose we want to make short radius, same story. Let's say right click, add selected. So select, add selected, straight down, isn't it? And then offset, how much? 900, okay. Then what we can do is we need fillet. How much radius? Radius. We want short. So 900 divided by 4. So it would be 450 divided by 4. I believe it is 450 divided by 2. Let's say 900 divided by 4. We said 225. 225. Enter. This guy with this guy. Okay, and then offset. Offset why? Isn't it? Offset. How much? 900. This by this. Okay. What we'll do is I just add this just to show the color, okay. It's not just bad practice, but just to see it, Okay, this guy goes straight up, done. Sorry. Okay, then let's say add selected. Okay, it's still layer 0 is there. What happened? Okay, and then trim whatever is nonsense. Okay, I hope you see the difference. You see, this is something more. Must be careful, isn't it? Simply we can't delete. Okay, is this clear? This is called what? Okay, just delete everything. This guy is called a short radius. This is long radius. Long radius, remember, divided by 2. Short radius, width divided by 4. What is width? This is the width. Okay, width. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class on the topic of what's this, long and short radius. How about we doing also 45 degree? You know, we came so much, let's complete it. Okay, let's delete it. Okay, now what we can do is just draw a line from here to here. We want 45 degree elbow, isn't it? So 45 means what? Draw F8. Okay, listen, select this and add select it. We want 45 degree elbow. Okay, listen, I just tell you, let's make it straight. Just F8, isn't it? Offset, how much? 900, isn't it? And then we said what? Fillet. We said radius. We want short. Okay, short means 225, isn't it? Why? W by 4. Okay, then offset, must be very careful. Doesn't look bad, isn't it? Okay, then line, just to look it, isn't it? Don't do this, but okay, anyway. Now let's say we want to make 45 degree elbow. Okay, just say right click, add selected, remove your F8 and just tab 45, isn't it? Okay, is this clear? Okay, same story. Okay, we're back. Yeah, so then what you're going to do is fillet. We want fillet, no? Sorry, F fillet, not D, fillet, D. F fillet, how much? Radius R, W by 4, short radius. Okay, and then offset, isn't it? That's why I told you, draw, don't on everything. Okay, we done now. That's why trim it. 1 minute. Okay, just I think when fishing, if you know, these all small things will make big headache. Okay. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, yeah, so this is the story, and I think in the next class I show you how to do trouser in the sense what we have one, let's say one duct here, one duct here. Okay, let's extend this. Listen, stretch this. Okay, in the next class I teach you how to do a trouser in the sense, now this is 900, let's say this is not, let's say it is 900, isn't it? This is 900. Let's suppose we want one duct. Okay, this is the center of the duct. Okay, we want one more duct, let's say from here, another duct here. Okay, this is 900 total. Okay, let's say it is split, this is 700, or let's say 600. Okay, this is 300. So in the next class I teach you how to do trouser piece. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. We see each other in the next class, and I hope my student who asked this question got it clarified. Okay, how to draw elbows, etc., etc. Okay, anyway, take care, and we see each other next fresh and energized in the next class. Yalla, bye.